If you have POS system, meaning you sell in physical brick and mortar store as well as online, you need to watch this video. Hi, my name is Andrew, the founder of email marketing agency Flowium, as well as this YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to see in your Klaviyo account how to separate your POS, like physical sales and online sales. And why do you need to do it? Because you cannot affect, theoretically you can, but it's hard to attribute in-store revenue to the email. So let's assume there's zero attribution to sales that made in-store to email. So we need to separate, remove those sales from your total amount and just calculate the online sale attribution to the emails. So in this case, in November, so total store revenue is for November is 9. Okay, so this is that. So we want to separate online sales and in store. So the hard part is to figure out how to find out this number. So this is what I will show you. Go to analytics, you click on custom reports, you click the library. I don't know, it's not very useful, the library. So POS sales in. Okay, so you do placed, order, total amount, value, sum, exclusive, doesn't matter, and group by, filter by source name, and you type in here POS. By the way, it works only with Shopify. The same logic will apply to other e-commerce platform, but this is how it's done for Shopify. So now we do this month, last month, which is November, because we are in December. So, and we want to buy entire range, sum, save, run. So, okay. Now, how to figure out this? We do equal, the simple formula, equal this minus this. Yeah, so this is our online sales and this is in-store sales. So now what we need to do, we need to, we want revenue from Klaviyo. Let's figure out from flows and from campaigns. The number should be different. So this is the amount. Okay. Okay, so let's do the math now. And here I missed one. Okay, so now we divide this. So we equal this amount divided by this amount. Yeah, so then again this amount divided by full amount, and this amount, okay, this amount divided by this amount. Okay, so I don't know how to change in percentage, so basically it's like 66%, 29%, and 37%. So as you can see, it's not as dramatic change, but as you can see, like here, 63% is 28% and 35%. It's not as dramatic, but let's assume if half of your sales are online, let's say this number is like 200. You see, it's like 84% should be attributed to emails, and when you check the numbers, like, oh, my email marketing does not work as so good. So it's very important to remove the POS sales from analytics to get better understanding of your numbers. Let me know if you have any additional questions about this.